Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this trigonometric equation, and then we'll find solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We're going to solve the equation 3 tangent theta sine theta plus 2 tangent theta is equal to 0. We see that we have a tangent common to both terms, so we'll factor that out. This gives us tangent theta times 3 sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. This gives us two equations. Our first equation is tangent theta is 0, and then our second equation is 3 sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. We'll now reduce each equation so that it just has a tangent or a sine on the left-hand side. Our first equation we don't have to change. That's tangent theta is equal to 0. For our second equation, we have 3 sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So that gives us sine theta is minus 2/3. Since tangent theta is equal to 0, our solution theta is going to be a coordinate point. And for our second equation, sine theta is negative. So theta is going to be in quadrants 3 and 4. Let's remind ourselves that tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So when tangent theta is 0, that's the same when sine is equal to 0. Our sine value is associated with y, and it will be 0 at these 2 points. So we'll write down here that theta is going to be equal to 0 plus 2n pi, and then pi plus 2n pi. So our value from 0 up to 2 pi is going to be 0 and pi. And we'll put in our values for n. Let's make a note that theta is going to be arc sine of minus 2/3. So our reference angle is going to be arc sine of 2/3. And that is approximately, when you put it in your calculator, 0.7297. Our angle in our third quadrant is going to be pi plus theta sub r. Theta is approximately pi plus 0.7297, and this is approximately 3.8713. In our fourth quadrant, theta is going to be 2 pi minus theta sub r. So theta is approximately 2 pi minus 0.7297, and this gives us theta is approximately 5.5535. Our solutions for theta are then 3.8713 plus 2n pi and 5.5535 plus 2n pi. Between 0 up to 2 pi, theta is equal to 3.8713 and 5.5535.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.